Okay, guys, so I just got sent mail and it happens to be my Valentine's Day gift to myself. Let's unbox it together. So here it is in all of its glory. This is Xerjoff Homme anniversary. And they said, while Xerjoff Homme is traditional, old school masculine, this is more new school. And based on all the reviews, they took this in a more unisex direction, and it does not smell like the original Homme, which I haven't smelled. But let's open this anyway, and I'll tell. Okay, so here is the outer box, which, by the way, looks really nice. This box looks even nicer. Look at that. That's like a nice cream patent leather. This is actually nicer than all my other Xerjoff boxes, which are also very nice. Ooh! Look at it! By the way, I bought this for the bottle, obviously. But let's go ahead and smell it. So I'm just going to quickly show you this bottle. It's kind of like a, it looks more black online, but it's like a grayish translucent with a gorgeous stone and all these like gold flakes everywhere. I feel like the bottom is more of like a gray translucent, but I feel like because the juice is so brightly colored, you can't tell. But let's go ahead and spray this. I'm very excited. Ooh, this bottle is honestly regal. I've got a little bit of skin here. I'm already wearing a scent of the day, but we're gonna do skin and strip. Just in case. That's nice. There's something kind of like okay, lemon. Definitely lemon. Like natural smelling lemon. Something kind of like petroleum-y mixing in with the lemon, but in a really good way, and I don't know how to explain that. Leather. Leather, soft leather, lemon. Okay. This looks like it's going to transition a lot on skin, but I'm definitely getting a really nice, soft, not rugged at all leather with a nice lemon. I like it. You can tell because I feel like my face gives it away. Let this transform. I have to go run an errand. I'll be back in like an hour and a half. I'm going to smell it on paper and on skin in an hour and a half and see how it transitions. But right now, totally worth it. Definitely doesn't smell like anything I own. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I've been gone for probably 2.5-ish hours. And let's talk about how the scent evolved. First of all, I want to tell you I'm wearing something very strong right now. It's La Isla Blanca by Ramon Monegal. And somehow, even though my sleeve was covering this part on my wrist, I was getting wafts of it continuously since I put it on. The lemon stayed, the leather stayed. You get candied fruits, you get some vanilla. I love what this smells like. The leather is like a really soft, smooth leather. And I promise you it blends really well with the leather. The leather and the lemon blend very well together. And you get a very nice creamy orange blossom that kind of like envelopes them. And I love it. You've got like kind of like the perfect mix of like a lemon vanilla with that soft leather and that kind of like candied fruits. The candied fruits is in the background. It's not front and center. I kind of thought it would be because that is a little bit different. You don't get that a lot. It's a really gorgeous fragrance. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Definitely not masculine. So I understand like what they're talking about. Okay, the original Homme, very masculine, which again, I need to smell that one. And this is like the more modern man, which again, this fragrance smells very unisex to me. I can't even imagine anyone that wouldn't say the same. It's nice, it's sweet. I think I can pull it off on a summer day. I'm gonna try it. I don't feel like it's gonna be too heavy. The orange blossom really lends to a nice summer day. But this is more like evening wear, date night. I'm not really getting a ton of the moss. I'm getting lemon, orange blossom, maybe a little bit of the spices, that really soft, smooth leather, and then the candy fruits and vanilla. But prominently, you will get lemon, orange blossom, soft leather, and vanilla. At least that's what I'm getting, especially on skin. And I absolutely love this. I think this is one of those situations where the bottle matches the smell, where you're like, I hope that I'm not buying this gorgeous bottle and the smell is not going to even compare, because look at this. This is the most gorgeous bottle in my collection right now. I love the stone on this guy right here. So, really happy to have this. Happy Valentine's to me. Again, picked it for the bottle. So impressed with the scent. If you've tried this, let me know what you think. And I hope everyone had a good day.